The justices heard arguments in their separate chambers using Zoom technology to facilitate social distancing. The justices, in a 5-4 decision, said that the prisoners who had sued failed to show that the Department of Corrections was not properly addressing the risk of COVID-19. Earlier, a lawyer representing the inmates had told the court that people who are incarcerated don't have the ability to keep themselves safe. A lawyer for the state said some inmates had already been released and face masks have been given out. Columbia Legal Services had asked for the release of inmates over age 50, those with underlying health issues including pregnancy or mental illness, or inmates who are scheduled for release within the next 18 months, regardless of the crimes they committed. In their decision, the state Supreme Court said the petitioners have not shown that the respondents are currently failing to perform a mandatory, non-discretionary duty in addressing the COVID-19 risk at the Department of Corrections facilities, nor shown other constitutional or statutory grounds for the relief they request. The latest statewide death toll as reported by the Department of Health had reached 711 deaths among 12,753 confirmed coronavirus cases as of 11:59 p.m. Wednesday. Here's a breakdown of some of the counties with the highest totals. King County has 385 deaths among 5,532 cases. Snohomish County has 101 deaths among 2,216 cases, and Pierce County has 44 deaths among 1,192 cases. There are at least 12,753 confirmed coronavirus cases with at least 711 deaths in Washington, according to the latest Department of Health numbers as of 11:59 p.m. April 22. Thousands of people gathered at in Olympia on Sunday to protest Governor Jay Inslee's stay-at-home order designed to combat the spread of the coronavirus. The Department of Health recalled around 12,000 coronavirus testing kits Saturday night after UW-Medicine alerted the state to possible contamination issues. On Saturday, the U.S. and Canada agreed to keep the border closed to non-essential travel for another 30 days. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said it will be undoubtedly longer before the restriction is removed. Some Washington residents can apply for emergency cash assistance, if they aren't eligible for other programs. The White House has released an 18-page package of guidelines to help states reopen businesses shuttered by the coronavirus outbreak. People who have recovered from COVID-19 can now donate their plasma to potentially help develop a treatment for the disease. Learn if you are eligible here and find more out about the local center taking donations here. The state plans to release up to 950 inmates early as part of an effort to limit the spread of the coronavirus among the prison population. All K-12 schools will remain physically closed for the remainder of the school year. The state's more than 1